Hello there and welcome! Today I wanted to do a little FYI about diffusing just in case anyone's making the same mistake that I made. If you have curly hair, you might know that using a diffuser is something you can do to help dry your hair faster without disrupting your curls. It's also a little more gentle than using the blow dryer on its own. There are a few different ways you can diffuse your hair. You can do what's called pixie diffusing by putting your hair into the bowl or the cup of the diffuser, or you can do hover diffusing where you don't actually touch your hair with the diffuser, or you can do something in between called cup and hover where you hover diffuse and kind of scrunch your hair with your hand as you go. If you are going to pixie diffuse, something you really need to do is look at your diffuser on the inside and see how hot it gets after your hairdryer has been running for a little while. When your hair is laying in the bowl of the diffuser, it comes into contact with the bottom of the diffuser. If your diffuser is just a cheap diffuser like mine, it could get really hot. If you've spent a lot of money on a good diffuser, you can disregard this message. I found that when I pixie diffuse, the inside of my diffuser gets so hot that in a couple of days I start having breakage. The ends of my hair were breaking off and I didn't know why at first. Eventually I realized that this breakage was being caused by diffusing my hair, and when I switched from pixie diffusing to hover diffusing only, the problem got better. So this is my public service announcement to those of you who haven't thought of it. If you have a cheap diffuser, like mine, check how hot the bowl gets before pixie diffusing, and if the bowl gets pretty hot, then hover diffuse. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curly.